You guys get pies for lunch? We did not. Amazing. I got double meat. I'm so hungry. But yeah, this is probably how we can get pie, but I think maybe I should have stayed. I'm seeing. Okay, guys, real quick. So this is the one that was not on the test yesterday. We did not have a mean difference interval. I wanted to say a couple of students were, no, we did not. I wanted to say a couple of students were very smart and perceptive. I noticed that the wording said difference in means, not mean difference. So that's just a helpful thing that you can use in the future. This one I tried to be specific and use mean difference again. I do completely understand though why it looked like they paired up. Just because of the setup of the table and stuff, and then people were overanalyzing and then being like, well, she didn't put a difference line, and I don't know, so I get it. And I will tell you, me giving you that hint made my evening very great, because I was just on the couch, like, this is right, this is right, this is right, moving on. Anyway, no, because there's still, the other test is on the same, but it's still similar. Anyway, okay. The only thing I want to mention that just a reminder, this is the one where you have to put the order of your subtraction. So you don't really have to do that with the two sample one, because you state mu1 is something and mu2 is something. This one you have to say B minus A minus B, whatever. So just a note for that. Everything in the plan I think is the same. The only thing I want to also mention is that you're back to one sample, even though it kind of feels like there's two, you treat it like one, which is great, because that makes the calculations easier. See, if you thought about me and like the way my brain works, you could have reasoned out that it would have been a one sample and a two sample. Because if I gave you a one sample and a one sample D, that's really two one samples. And then if I gave you a two sample and a one sample D, that would have been the two harder ones. So anyway, if you're a person who sits and overanalyzes life like I do, okay, now when you get to this is your cutout. So don't write that. That's your cutout from, this is the poor students from last year that had to write that. The only reason I have last year's up is just to try to go faster for you. But I am going to do the example with you. So after you get this done, paste in the giant thing with the table on it. What's wrong? Oh. Are you swimming? Yeah. Yeah, what are you swimming? Okay, good luck. Of course. He's good. He's good. Bye. I did order Mariano, by the way. So I'm gonna leave him at school so we can play with him when he goes. Bye. I hope he wins. What was it yesterday? $125 or something? Yeah. 58. Okay. You're the best. Chapter 11, yeah. So the test is 19th or the week after? Week after. We have team tests next week.
I don't think I'm teaching anything next week. Maybe the first lesson of chapter 12. No, I don't think so. I think that's the fall. I don't know.
Okay.
Goodness. I don't know. I'm ready though. Emily, you got my thingies? My email I sent you?
Yeah.
Okay. It was really it was very inspiring because I did it for my math 3 and math 1 also. So you helped a lot of people actually. Okay.
No, it's not.
What?
We got.
It doesn't have us really like write notes anymore, just cuts it out.
Yeah.
I'd rather write. Whatever.
I like to do some of each. Like for the problems, I feel like putting them in is okay. But like writing the actual problem. Right, right. Oh, that's true. Hold on. Are you sure? Oh, kangaroo is so cute. That was before Mr. Talbot fixed everything.
Talbot update.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Talbot, you think he'd ever come in and do a lesson with us?
He teach you stuff about cars and automotive repair. He's the best. He always tells me to let him grade your tests. He's like, they're gonna be happy, but you're not. Oh yeah. About being can it be about being due? Like when you're taking a multiple choice test and you're like, I haven't had a C in a while.
Mrs. Talbot, all I'm gonna say is if me and Chase are teaching a lesson, there's gonna be Plinko involved.
Oh.
Okay.
Sorry.
I love Plinko.
I love Plinko.
Guys, after you paste this in, can you use your calculator to do regular minus kill in each column, please, and thank you.
Well,
Wow, I just did that one in the calculator. That's dumb. And then after you get all of these, put them into your L1, please, and thank you.
Think about it, like, that just means it's a one-on-one.
Guys. Focus, please. You're supposed to be putting this into L1. I mean, just the difference line. Also, you should probably check my math because I'm special. Guys. Okay, so first step, subtract them. Second step, put them all in the calculator. What are the things I'm gonna need from the calculator? There's 3. Mean and box, this is gonna be a box plot. The numbers are too big and spread out for me to do a dot plot effectively. Okay, so mean is 33.73. Standard deviation 66.171, 66.17. And then I'm gonna flip the paper over. You guys have any questions about the work I did so far? Subtracted down, L1, one variable stats. Does anyone need more time with these numbers? Anyone? You good? Okay, all right, let's do the problem and then we're done. State. Null hypothesis. Alternative hypothesis. Mu D equals alpha equal. Okay. Mu D equals 0. Always the same thing every single time. On this one, what is it asking? I didn't even read it. Let's see. It says, do the data provide convincing evidence that drying barley seeds in a kiln increases the yield of barley on average? Okay. So in that case, I'm gonna scroll back over here. I'm gonna say what I'm interested in is kiln being greater than regular, right? So I'm thinking regular is less than kiln. Does that make sense? Okay, so this is mu D is less than 0. You guys see where I got how I interpreted that out? Okay. Mu D is less than 0. Okay, any questions about my state? I'm a quarter of the way there. Are we good? Okay, plan. This sounds like random assignment to me. Don't you think so? If you read what happened, coin flip, that's random assignment. Which is great news. Do you guys see what I mean by that?
Don't look at on the test where it doesn't say like random assignment, it says like, they use like a hat.
I did not do that to you. That does not mean that the college board won't. But I didn't. But I'm glad we went over it. Right. What's wrong? Okay. Okay. So I already have my things in L1. And if I hit zoom 9, holy shnikes, that's zoomed in. Okay. So if I hit the trace, so that's negative 127 to positive 70. What do you say we go by 25? Okay. So it was negative 127. So negative 150. What am I doing? I should have done this sideways. I don't know why I made the do so far away. You guys were so close. Hold it together. I just need like 4 minutes. 3, 6, 6.5.
I gotta do it.
Okay. I'm so close. I just need to do the do and conclude. Okay. I love you all. Just give me a second. Okay. So I got this from the 33 point. Uh, 66.17. So close. I'm so close. Oh, almost there. Does anybody know if I hit the record button? Hold on, I forgot what it says. We have convincing evidence that drying barley seeds in a kiln increases the yield of barley on average. God. Oh, it was recording. Yes.